Are you tired of typing in Ruby and having to manually replace the hash symbol with the curly braces? It can be a real hassle, especially when other editors seem to do it automatically. If this sounds familiar, stick around because today we're going to solve this issue in Visual Studio Code. I totally get it. Many developers have faced this frustration when switching to Visual Studio Code from other editors like Sublime or Atom, which handle this automatically. You're not alone in wanting a smoother coding experience. So, here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I get the hash symbol to auto-replace with curly braces in Ruby strings while using Visual Studio Code? If you've been wondering the same thing, you're in the right place. The issue here is that Visual Studio Code doesn't have a built-in autocorrect feature for this specific case, unlike some other editors. But don't worry, we can set up a workaround using snippets to make your coding life easier. And make sure to stick around until the end. I have a bonus tip that will enhance your Ruby coding experience even further. To enable automatic replacement of the hash symbol with hash curly braces in Ruby strings, the user should first install an extension that supports this feature. A popular choice is the Ruby extension for Visual Studio Code. Next, the user needs to configure the settings for the Ruby extension. This will allow for custom snippets that can help with the automatic replacement. Now, the user should create a custom snippet for the hash replacement. This involves editing the snippets file to define how the hash symbol should be replaced. Finally, the user can test the new snippet by typing the hash symbol in a Ruby double-quoted string. It should automatically convert to the hash curly braces format. Fun fact, did you know that the Ruby programming language was created in the mid-1990s? It was designed to be simple and productive, just like we want our coding experience to be. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution comes from a user who suggests using a Visual Studio Code extension called Auto Add Brackets in String Interpolation by Ali Arif. This extension provides the functionality to automatically replace the hack character with hashed in Ruby strings. Once you've added your snippet, save the file and try it out in your Ruby code. Just type the hash symbol, and it should automatically convert to the curly braces. How cool is that? And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Visual Studio Code to auto-replace the hash symbol in Ruby strings. Remember, customizing your tools can greatly enhance your productivity. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.